Everyone, welcome back to J Lifeables. Today I'm going to make chicken cheese balls, and these are specially for Ramadan. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make loads of them, freeze them, and then fry them whenever we like in Ramadan. But for just to show you guys, I've fried few here, so they're really nice and spicy. Make sure you follow the full video where I show you how to make these and then freeze them and then eventually fry them. So let's crack on and make some cheese chicken balls for Ramadan. So right guys, first we're gonna blend our onion. So cut them into four pieces. So I've got 3 onions here. They're both medium to large size. So I'd say get a large size because we got 1 kg of chicken keema. So I also have 10 chilies here. So 10 green chilies, which I'm gonna throw in there, and we're gonna blend that. Guys, I've got 1 kg of breast mincemeat keema here, but what I'm gonna do, I want a bit more thinner, so I'm gonna put that into a blender and do a bit more. So grab that, place it here on the sides. Get that out. And we're gonna do the same for the rest of it. So guys, I'm gonna put my onion and green chili in there. So like I said before, three onions and 10 green chilies. And then here I've got the spices, so I've got the masalas. So 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of jeera, and 2 teaspoons of chicken spices mix or chicken masala, and 2 teaspoons of red chilli here. So throw all that in there. And then I've got here 6 tablespoons of plain flour, so that's maida. And then I've got again 6 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. And then I've got the green coriander there, so that's roughly about just, if it's a small bunch, so yeah, small bunch I would say, not a big bunch but kind of a small bunch. So that's all in there. Remember, I've got 1 kg of keema as well, and breast. Make sure you get a breast. So now we're gonna give 2 eggs as well. Sorry, I forgot to mention. So I got 2 eggs, so break them in there. And give that a good mix. Right guys, also forgot to mention, we got 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, which we're gonna put in there and mix that in there as well. So if you need to know how to make that, just check out our channel to see, and there's a video in there and showing you how to make it, and I'll leave that in the description as well. So mix that as well in there. So guys, once all the mixture is ready, what you need to do is put that in a freezer for roughly about half an hour for it to settle down before we make the balls. So yeah, leave that in a freezer for half an hour. Get our mixture in a freezer for half an hour, so that's settled now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off by first, we've got 3 eggs here, so we're gonna break them and mix them. So I've got a little chef here, he wants to break these eggs. Break, little chef. Wow, give me that, throw in the bin for you. Okay. Break the other one. That's it. Give me the skin, throw that in the bin for you.
And the next.
Well done. Give me that, throw that in the bin for you. Right, little chef, go on, do your mix. There guys, and then I've got cheese, so I've got grated cheese there, so I've got cheddar there, grated cheddar. You
Yeah.
could use any cheese you like, so I've got ready-made grated cheddar. So what we're gonna do, grab some water, wet our hand,
Yes.
and then our bowl now. So what we're gonna
Yes.
do, grab about 1 tablespoon worth, right? So make a little bowl. Once the bowl is ready, then we're gonna spread that thinly.
And then put the cheese on.
Yeah, put cheese on it. So put our grated cheese, and that should be enough. And then we're gonna make the bowl again. So turn it again like that and like that. And if you haven't got enough, just grab some more from here. So grab a bit more just to make sure you cover the whole cheese in there. Okay, so that's our bowl. So right, that's our bowl now. So our bowl is ready. So we're gonna leave that here, and we're gonna put that into our egg. So our egg there.
Triple egg.
Yeah, triple egg, little chef. And pour egg on it, and then take that out.
And
Make sure you don't
big
get
chef.
the whole yolk out, so just the ball, right? And then put that on our crumbs. Our crumbs on there. Make sure your hands are not wet, because you don't want this to be sticking to you. So let's just pour crumb all over it.
And big chef is also going to order us 2 aprons.
Okay, little chef, we do that. Now put that back. So we're gonna double coat it. So we're gonna put that back in our egg yolk. So get that back in there, and we're gonna put yolk on there. So put it nice, get it all covered.
It looks nice because it's going to have my favorite cheese in there.
Alright, your favorite cheese, eh?
Yeah.
Don't eat all the cheese, right?
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, so that's ready. So once again, we grab it and we put it here. And again, we're gonna throw more crumbs on there. So turn it over.
Breadcrumbs.
Yeah, breadcrumbs. So I mean, you could make breadcrumbs home or get them from the supermarket. Right guys, so that's our first bowl ready. So just make sure do that so it does turn into a bowl, and then put that there, and that's our first bowl ready. So we're gonna keep on making them like that. I made all these, so I mean, you can make them as you like. You could see I'm not really good at shaping them, so I've got some small, some big, but the point is try getting a 1 tablespoon worth, and then try making that into a cheesy balls, cheesy chicken balls. So got these cheesy chicken balls are for, actually, if we're making them for iftari, so we got about roughly just about a month left. So they're going to be frozen until then, and then we're going to eat them. But minimum, make sure you put them in for 3 hours, freeze them before you actually fry them. So what I'll do, I'll freeze these for about 3 hours, and then what I'll do, I'll fry some to show you how to fry them. So we're going to fry them directly straight out of the freezer, so we're not going to defrost them. So I'll see. It's been freezing for at least 3 hours now. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to fry them. So let's fry these. So I've got a few here, about 5.
Yeah, I'm going to eat one.
Hello chef, you could eat one.
And I'm tasting anyways.
Yeah, you're the Mr. Taster. So we're gonna fry it for a few minutes. It doesn't take long, about 3-4 minutes. So guys, I'm frying it on the medium heat here.
Medium heat. Medium heat. Okay, that's good.
What is good?
Come on, pizza. Because I said I want to put some a lot of pizza sauce. It's actually pizza sauce. Yes, I want to put a lot of pizza
Like I said, it doesn't take long before they cook, so they go like brown, golden brown. Well, kind of golden brown.
Now I want some.
These are golden brown now, so you can see they're cooked. I'm gonna take that one out, put it on our plate, and again this is ready as well. Put that plate as well.
You should always use the whole spoon for the.
Take these out as well. They seem to be ready. Eventually, the last one. Right guys, we got little chef here, so we're gonna give it a try. It's quite nice and spicy, so we're gonna break it first, just to show you guys. So here we go. See the cheese there? Nice succulent cheese in there. So yeah, little chef, you gonna give it a try?
I'd like small one.
Okay, you have the small one. How is it?
It's good. Better than I thought it was. I thought it was a nice way.
Very nice and spicy.
It's like you know you put in the kebab.
Yeah.
Not kebab, I mean kaboda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pakoda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you made. Yeah, that's what it tastes like for me. The skin.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's breadcrumbs.
Oh.
Yeah. So you like it?
Yeah.
So you're gonna enjoy this in Ramadan.
Yeah.
Good. So you're gonna ask people to try this at home as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make some home.
Yeah. Like and subscribe and that.
Yeah, and subscribe your channel as well, so they could get more recipes from you.
Yeah.
Good. So guys, we see you next time. Make sure you try them and leave us comments in the video. See how it goes.